Hello and welcome, this is Deadline, and I've created a toolchain to allow you to work with 8 and 16-bit assembly language in a much more easy fashion. When I say easy, I mean probably more convenient, because some of the stuff is not exactly light reading. But anyway, so to get started, the Retro Dev Tools is a Git repository on our GitHub site. And inside of the folder, once you download it, there's going to be a folder called Base Projects. Inside of there, you have Apple IIe, Atari XL, and Commodore 64. So what we're going to do is let's take the Commodore. Oops, what did I just do? I don't know. But anyway, let's copy all of these out. Copy, and then we'll put them in a working folder. Right? Let's paste that here. This is our working folder. And let's go ahead and add that working folder to our VS Code workspace. Working folder. There we go. Everything's popped up. Now, we can't get Apple IIe to work under Windows yet because of the disk transfer program. We're going to be working on that to get it working. So we're going to skip that one. But for the Atari, it does work. So let's go ahead and we right click on the folder, open in the integrated terminal, right? And it'll open up. Now I have my terminal in VS Code set up for like a min-GW type of environment, but we're going to break out of that. We're going to type CMD to get us to the Microsoft Windows CMD, and there it is. If you hit dir, you can see there's our program that we just copied over. Now in order to get this to work, all you gotta do is type build.bat. Okay, but before we do that, let's actually modify the code. Well, I don't have any text in there to make it easy, but you can see what's gonna happen. Right, if I type build.bat, hit enter. Why is it not working? Okay. Thanks for cooperating. Let's close that out. Let's try this again. Open an integrated terminal. CMD. Build.bat. And boom. It compiled it, stuck it in a disk image, and then runs the emulator. Okay? Much like Kick Assembler would do, but different. And now, go change directory to ... And let's do the Commodore one. Same thing, build.bat. Actually, we can go in here. Let's take a look at the Commodore main.asm file. And it's got some stuff in there to get started. We're going to change this from hello to hello from Deadline. We're going to change the color to blue, right? And then there's hello rainbow underneath, a rainbow print macro for Kick Assembler. And we'll type rainbow printing. Okay, boom. Now let's do the build.bat. And there we go. Hello from Deadline, rainbow printing 3. Just from the build.bat. It's the same as what you do for an Apple and Atari base. Now, what's interesting about this toolchain is that it works in Windows, but it also works with, let's pull up the virtual machine. Where is my virtual machine? Ubuntu. Okay, let's log in. Alright, what do we got? So this is my Linux environment. I got VS Code running. I have the Retro Dev Tools Git repository here, and it's got the base projects. So let's do the Apple one, because we do have the Apple base project working under Linux. So let's paste it into our home folder, and then under the home folder let's do the right click, open in integrated terminal, and now we're inside of there. So let's see what's in there. The main.asm. What do we got? We got some stuff that I've put in already. Apple IIe main ASM by deadline. Let's just say that. And then to build it, we build Linux. It's different than Windows. It's not batch file. It's a shell file. So I named it differently. But the result, as you can see, will be the same. Oh, and there we go. And how do you run it on an Apple? It's catalog brun program. Apple IIe main.asm by deadline. There you go. And the same thing for your Atari projects and your Commodore projects. build_linux.sh. More to come. We're going to be working on this, and it's going to get more developed as we go. We're going to get the Apple working under Windows. Then we're going to start adding more machines, because as you know, we're doing the whole puppetry thing with the old computers. So we're going to need this. Special shout out to our patrons who sponsor our channel on patreon.com. We really do appreciate it. It means a lot more to us than just the monetary value. So as far as new content is concerned, yes, we're working on new content. We have hashtag Marcintosh coming up. We also have our new adventures of Clicky and Friends that we're working on. And we're formulating some ideas for where to go with our programming series. So stay tuned and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and please leave us some comments. We really love the engagement. Until next time, this is Deadline. CityXen.